Hi and welcome to vlog number 36. Yay! Yeah, well, I'm very sorry that it took so long that I could actually make a new video like this because well, I've had like a really weird infection inside my ribs for some reason, so this part is still very painful, but I don't really care because I want to move and I want to jump around and I want to do everything. Yeah. Today I'm here in... I have actually no idea what this city is called here around, but I wanted to show you something. It's close to Cologne, like I don't know, 40 kilometers away, and this is on one hand really interesting, and on the other hand a catastrophe for the environment. And yeah, I would like to show it to you because not many people from like outside of Germany actually know about it or have seen it before, because yeah, it's something. Yeah, you do have a few of those things of those places, but they're not really common anymore, God thanks. But yeah, I would like to show it to you because, well, it's my first time here, so it's pretty impressive if you see it for the first time. So yeah, let's just go there. Yeah. So, some people might know this machine, or actually this tiny part of the actual machine behind me already. I'm not entirely sure what's the English name of this, but it's basically, well, this is actually a huge circle, and it's a big machine which is, as far as I know, like 100 meters high, and like really long, like 200 meters long. And it's there to get coal out of the ground. And here in Germany there are a few of these places where they still try to get coal out of the ground, and this mining is impressive on one side. So I'm gonna show like the actual place to you right now. So as I've mentioned before, what you are going to see is like a huge catastrophe for the environment. You have to keep this in mind, even as impressive as it is. I'm not even entirely sure if you can see the whole scale of it due to the wide angle of the GoPro, but I guess you can see a lot. I'm gonna put the dimensions of this place into the video, and then you will see how much it actually is and how large it is. This is, by the way, the biggest hole in Europe, so it's really big. So big, I cannot even put it in words. It's so small down there. I'm not entirely sure. As far as I remember, it's 500 meters deep and 5 kilometers long, which is just insane. It's the whole area is 31 square kilometers, as far as I remember. I'm not entirely sure now, but if you see this, it's like it's just impressive and scary at the same time. Yeah. I'm a bit confused though, because over there's a playground, and well, you know, of course it's the Corona time still, and actually those playgrounds should be closed, and there are so many kids running around. I don't really like those crowded places, so I try to keep as much distance as possible. Yeah. Well, I'm here together with my boyfriend Cody dog, and well, 2 people from like 2 households. That's possible right now, but not really more. I mean, inside is like 10 people of 2 different households in Germany at least. So yeah, there's not really much going on at the time right now, but at least you can see such things out in the nature, and that's not a problem at all. So yeah. So yeah, I guess you probably know by now the name of this hole. We actually just checked the depth of this area. It's actually not 500 meters, it's just 400 meters, but that's still way too much, to be honest, to get the scale of it. But anyway, yeah, this is the Hambach. That's you probably have heard the name a lot in the news, because the Hambacher forest, which is the forest around this, they want to basically destroy that forest, and many people try to avoid that, and try to yeah, just get all the machines away and all this to stop. And yeah, therefore it has been in the news many times, so I thought it's maybe worth to show it to the people outside of Germany, to see that this should not be done anywhere else anymore, not in these days. But yeah, now you know what this is. Hambach. Hier ist alles groß.
Living in a war zone where there's no word describing me, describing who I wanna be. Feeling so alone, don't know why I am this way. But then I met you, you gave me a word for the feelings that I felt. That I met you, you gave me a word for the feelings that I felt.
So yeah, I know this was not a really long video, but well, it's very important to let other people know about those things which are against the environment and stuff. So I thought I have to make a video about that. So yeah, I guess that's it, and I would say I see you in the next video. And yeah, check out my Discord, maybe we can talk a bit. And yeah, I would say till the next time, bye bye. Mwah.